Good morning, dear students. This is Manisha Sajesh, your English teacher. So, children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today, children, we are going to learn something very interesting. But before we start today's class, just answer me one question. Which day is today? Yes, children, tell me which day is today. I know you all know the date. Yes, it is 16th of December. But what is the day today? Yes, it is Wednesday. And tomorrow would be Thursday. And which day was yesterday? Correct, it was Tuesday. So we all know that there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So children, we must remember the days of the week. For example, if we ask which day comes after Friday? Children, which day comes after Friday? So I think you must have done after and before concept in maths. So it is very clear to you. After means baad mein and before means pehle. So which day comes after Friday? Yes, right, Saturday. So today we are going to talk about days of the week and weekend. So now everybody knows days of the week. But what do you mean by weekend? Children, basically weekend is the time period that start from Friday evening to Sunday. तो वीकेंड हम किस टाइम पीरियड को बोलते हैं जो फ्राइडे की शाम को शुरू होता है और संडे पूरा संडे वो रहता है. तो वो टाइम जो टाइम पीरियड है ना, फ्राइडे की इवनिंग फिर सैटरडे फिर संडे, इस पूरे टाइम पीरियड को हम कहते हैं वीकेंड. सो चिल्ड्रन, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, जब आपकी रेगुलर क्लासेस होती थी उस टाइम पर आप मंडे से ही स्कूल जाना स्टार्ट करते थे. संडे तो हमेशा हॉलीडे होता है. एंड ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी देयर इज़ नो ऑनलाइन क्लास ऑन संडे. सो चिल्ड्रन, यूजुअली सब लोग वर्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं मंडे से. जैसे बड़े लोग होते हैं जो ऑफिस जाते हैं, है ना, वो सब भी मंडे से ऑफिस जाना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे. और सैटरडे तो काफ़ी जगह हॉलीडेज़ होता है ना, आपका भी फर्स्ट सैटरडे हॉलीडे होता है. तो फिर वीकेंड कब से स्टार्ट हो जाता है? फ्राइडे इवनिंग से, क्योंकि इवनिंग में सब ऑफिस से वापस आ जाते हैं. तो फ्राइडे इवनिंग और फुल सैटरडे देन संडे, ये पूरा टाइम पीरियड वीकेंड कहलाता है. तो सब वर्क कब करते हैं? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे एंड फाइनली फ्राइडे एंड वीकेंड स्टार्ट्स. Weekend brings lot of relaxation, happiness and family time. So the weekend basically starts from Friday evening and ends on Sunday. Again and again I am telling you, ताकि आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाए कि वीकेंड क्या होता है. You can have lot of quality time with your family, है ना. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting chapter, and the name of the chapter is A Fun Weekend. So let's begin. Open your book, your English reader book, and take out page number 67. As you all know that when I start reading, what you all have to do, you will read with me and put your finger wherever I am reading. So the name of the chapter 7, A Fun Weekend. So this chapter This chapter is all about the weekend that is full of fun, activities. Let's start reading this chapter. First word, Guess. Guess. Put your finger on this word and WHAT what? Guess what? क्या क्वेश्चन मार्क है कि देखो क्या हुआ है ना, देखते हैं क्या हुआ. गेस व्हाट. लास्ट वीकेंड. पता है क्या हुआ लास्ट वीकेंड. आफ्टर वीकेंड चिल्ड्रन यू कैन सी देयर इज कॉमा. और मैंने आपको बहुत बार क्लासेस जब हमारी स्टार्ट हुई थी हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश की क्लासेस में भी मैंने बताया था कि जहाँ पर कॉमा होता है वहाँ हम रीडिंग के टाइम हल्का सा क्या करते हैं, पॉज देते हैं, थोड़ा सा हम रुकते हैं. लास्ट वीकेंड मम्मी called up all my cousins to our house. So what happened last weekend? The mother called all my cousins. My cousin means एक बच्चा है जो हमें ये पूरी स्टोरी हमें पूरी स्टोरी बता रहा है कि वीकेंड में फन वीकेंड में क्या क्या हुआ था. तो लास्ट वीकेंड my mother called up all my cousin. And who are your cousins? द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ योर अंकल आंट है ना, चाची मामा बुआ, इनके जो भी बच्चे होते हैं वो कौन होते हैं, आपके कजिन्स, द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ योर रिलेटिव्स. एंड आई नो कि आपने ईवीएस में भी कजिन्स क्या होते हैं इसके बारे में आपको ईवीएस में भी पढ़ाया गया है. सो लास्ट वीकेंड मम्मी कॉल्ड अप ऑल माई कजिन्स टू आवर हाउस. We had slept together in my room. It was an exciting day. EXCITING. Exciting. Exciting means क्या होता है, interesting, बहुत मज़ेदार है ना. So you all can relate to the story, isn't it? Whenever you are there at your grandmother's house or your maternal house, all the cousins are together. So what you all do, you all play together, eat together, and you all sleep together in a room, and the day becomes very exciting and interesting and it is full of fun. है ना, आपके साथ भी तो ऐसा होता होगा जब भी आप कहीं जाते हो कि अपने दादी के घर, अपनी नानी के घर, तो आपके सारे कजिन्स आप सब आपस में क्या करते होंगे, खूब मस्ती करते होंगे, है ना. Now let's read the next paragraph. Next morning we saw mummy arranging a party for us in the garden. So what happened next morning? When we woke up, who are we? Me and my cousins. So when we woke up, we saw that mummy was arranging a party. So she had organized a party in the garden that you can see very clearly in this picture. This is a beautiful picture. So mama had arranged a very nice party. So what were all there in the party? Children, as you can see in this picture, there were streamers. 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 Balloons and masks hanging from the trees. As you all can see in this picture that there are masks are hanging on the tree. Mask of a lion, piggy, duck, these all are the masks, and balloons are there, and there were streamers as well. Children, whenever it's your birthday or someone's birthday, you can see lot of colorful decoration at home, isn't it? Some long strips of papers or ribbons that are basically used for decorating the walls are known as streamers. Streamers means colorful ribbons, as you can see in this picture. Yes, these are streamers. These paper strips are known as streamers. And mummy had made yummy snacks. Yummy means tasty. And arranged them on the table. She had also baked some special cookies for us. So mama had done so much. She had arranged a beautiful party and she made yummy snacks also. She baked some special cookies for the kids also. Children, today all of you read this page, and tomorrow I will read and explain you page number 68 and 69. And children, as you can see in this pink box, some words are there. All of you read these words carefully. So tomorrow we will read this chapter and we will see what all happened in this weekend. इस weekend में ऐसा क्या हुआ कि एक fun weekend बन गया. तो कल हम इस chapter को complete करेंगे. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a good day.